Hi, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about doing a lookup inside of Act Premium Cloud. I'm going to come up here and click on Lookup, and I want to look up a company, and it's going to start with or contain Bedrock. So I'm just going to finish typing this in right here, and when I do that, I'm going to hit Enter on the keyboard, and I'm going to do a lookup of all the people at Bedrock Industries. Now, let's say we want to narrow this lookup down. What I can do is I can go back up to lookup and I can say, listen, I either want to replace the lookup, so it would replace the entire lookup, or I have some options. I can narrow the lookup down or I can add to the lookup. So if I narrow it down, I'm going to say, you know what? I only want the people whose first name starts with Fred. And now I'm going to hit submit. And now I've narrowed down that lookup. But let's say I want to add to this lookup. So first I did a lookup, then I narrowed it down, but now I want to add to this lookup. I'm going to go back up and click on lookup. This time I'm going to find another company, and that company is going to start with Jet, short for Jetson. And I'm going to come here where it says replace lookup, and I'm going to add to this lookup. I don't want to replace it because it would have replaced what I just did. But now when I click on submit, it's going to add to the lookup. So it took two people from Jetson Contraptions, George and Judy Jetson, and it added it to Fred Flintstone. So you have some variations in the way you can do lookups in Act by narrowing it, adding to it, or completely replacing it. A lot of people aren't as familiar with that as I would have thought, and that's why I wanted to do this tutorial. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you for being here. Be well. Bye now.